is crazy. You amaze me, you amaze me. Other girls them only really want to play me, but when I date with you, I realize love don't cost a dime. Love is crazy. You amaze me, you amaze me. All them other girls they really want to play me, but when I date with you, love don't cost a dime. My baby, love don't cost a dime. My baby, love don't cost a dime.
If you thought I was disturbed before, baby boy, I'm gonna disturb you, no. If you thought I was disturbed before, baby girl, I'm gonna disturb you, no. Disturb you.
Enjoy this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave it down in the comments down below if y'all like this look. If y'all like it, let me know down in the description down below. And yeah, all the details on this hair will be listed down in the description down below, and I'll catch y'all in my next one.